From this video, you will get tips to prepare for 33140T Avaya Experience Portal with POM Support online test. 33140T Exam Overview. Why is the 33140T certification important? Exam topics. Preparation tips. 1. What aspect of POM audit logs is most useful for understanding user interactions with the system? A. Timestamps of user logins. B. Details of the user interface layout changes. C. Records of user commands and actions. D. System startup and shutdown times. Answer: C. 2. Why is the network zone segregation important in an AEP deployment? A. To reduce overall system latency. B. To enhance security by isolating network traffic. C. To increase storage capacity. D. To simplify user management. Answer: B. 3. Why should telephony reports be reviewed after maintenance procedures? A. To optimize the routing of calls. B. To identify any issues that arose during maintenance. C. To provide training to new staff. D. To advertise new features. Answer: B. 4. What steps should be followed for a successful installation of the POM 4.0 application server? Choose 2. A. Configure the server's BIOS settings. B. Install the required operating system patches. C. Validate the server's security settings. D. Execute the POM installation script. Answer: B, D. 5. What should be prioritized when defining access levels during the setup of user accounts on the EPM web interface? A. The seniority of the user within the company. B. The technical skills of the user. C. The specific needs of the user's role. D. The preference of the user. Answer: C. 6. What is the initial step in preparing to back up the AEP database? A. Disconnect all active sessions. B. Verify the backup configuration settings. C. Schedule the backup during off-peak hours. D. Perform a test backup. Answer: B. 7. What information does the AEP system log primarily record? A. User access times and durations. B. System errors and warnings. C. Financial transactions. D. Network setup configurations. Answer: B. 8. What is crucial to verify before initiating a restore operation on the AEP database? A. The compatibility of the backup with the current system version. B. The amount of available disk space. C. The network bandwidth. D. The number of concurrent users online. Answer: A. 9. Which component needs to be installed first when setting up the POM database? A. Database server. B. Application server. C. Web server. D. Configuration server. Answer: A. 10. Which POM system feature supports dynamic scaling based on workload demands? A. Static resource allocation. B. Manual scaling interfaces. C. Automated scalability solutions. D. Fixed capacity units. Answer: C. Subscribe and like past question.